economic independence and equal opportunities. Gender biases, traditional norms have hampered their progress, resulting in lower labor force participation rates, higher unemployment rates, and limited access to resources and opportunities. The GROW project is our proactive response to address these challenges head-on and to drive sustainable change. Over the course of the next 5 years, this project will work tirelessly to facilitate women's access to services and resources that will enable their enterprises to grow and thrive. We are committed to supporting women entrepreneurs in high growth sectors, equipping them with necessary tools, training, and market linkages to expand their businesses and create more employment opportunities. As you've just heard from the Commissioner, we are looking at the successful women that are transitioning from many of these empowerment and livelihood programs that government has put in place. As they grow their businesses, we are creating an opportunity to accelerate that growth. Our objective is not only to enhance women's economic empowerment, but also to stimulate overall economic growth and alleviate poverty. By unlocking the potential of women-owned enterprises, we can drive job creation, boost productivity, and uplift communities. The GROW project has set ambitious targets, aiming to facilitate the transition of 35,000 micro-enterprises and 4,000 small enterprises to higher levels, with potential to generate an impressive 295,000 direct jobs and 1,180,000 indirect jobs. As they say, everything being equal, we should get there within the next 5 years through this intervention. Allow me to emphasize the crucial role the media plays in driving awareness, shaping public opinion, and facilitating transformative change. GROW rides on the bigger program of government, which again the Commissioner talked about, of PDM.
So we are really here for you to ask questions, so that when your team comes to you with a story on GROW, you have the perspective already. You understand the project already. You will not ask them too many questions. But for you to not to ask many questions, we have provided this opportunity for you to ask all the questions that you can ask from us who know the project at this level. Then you can also cascade the information to your team in the field so that the coverage is accurate. So, as you are aware, we have many other programs that both the Ministry of Gender and the government has undertaken. In our case, we have the Uganda Women Entrepreneurship Program, which has been supporting women with startup. But what did we find when we toured the country? We found that most of the women who got money under our program of Uganda Women's Entrepreneurship Program got the money and started the project. But they have reached a point where they want to grow now. And now they need capital. I was in Shirowara district. I found a team of women who got money from us. And they started dairy production. Now they have a lot of milk. And they started yogurt business. But this yogurt business is being sold in around 3 or 4 districts with the motorcycle.